Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will see string function in SQL. These functions are very important for your interview. Okay, so let's focus on this. So this is for part 1 of this video, and part 2 of this video I'll upload in the next 2 or 3 days. Okay, so you can watch both of the videos, but first let's start this video. Okay, and if you have not subscribed it, please hit the subscribe button, like and share among your friends. Okay, so let's move the subscribe button, like and share among your friends. Okay, so let's move to. So first function we have is substring or substr function. So basically what it does is it extract a portion of a string, uh, like from a starting position to end position, like from a specified, like from where you want to extract till what you want to extract, right? I hope this helps. So like how we can do is syntax is select substring data genius. So I will extract from first position till fourth position, right? In a string, the indexing starts from 1, so the first position is D, right? So it will start from D till fourth, that is A. So the output will be data. I hope this helps. Move to second function. Second function is concat. What it does is it does basically it add or it concatenate two or more strings, right? So the syntax is select concat data genius. So the output will be data genius. Here actually one string is one space extra added here. Okay, but the output will be data genius without any space. I hope this fine. Let's move toward third function. Third function is len function. What it does is it basically calculates the length of a string. Okay, in a SQL server we use len function, but in MySQL or Oracle we use length function, right? So what it does is basically calculate the length. So the syntax is len data genius, right? So the output is 12 because it is calculating a space as well. See, data has 4 data character, data string has 4 character, right? And genius has 7, right? So 7 plus 4 is 11 and 1 is extra space between A and G. So 12. So output is 12. I hope this is fine. Move to the next function. Next function is upper. Basically it converts the string to uppercase, right? So the output is select upper data genius. So it will convert the output to uppercase, like capital data genius in a capital letter. Okay, and similar to this we have lower function. It converts capital letter to a small, right? It converts the string to lowercase. The syntax is similar, like a lower of the mentioned string, right? Next we have is stream function. What it does is it removes the leading and trailing extra space from the string, right? So if you see the example here, select trim, a space is given, see before this is leading extra space, okay, and after genius I have given provided like a trailing extra space, okay. So it will remove these two spaces, so the output will be data genius. I hope this is fine. Okay, now let's jump to SQL Server, okay, or any compiler. So I'll use online compiler. Okay, so I am here at online compiler, that is sqliteonline.com. You can also use on okay. So let's run this one by one and see the example, right? The substring here, so it will give, I am extracting from first position till 12th position, right? So the output will be data genius because the length of this data genius is 12, so it will give all the output, right? What concat does is it basically add two function, okay, concatenate two function. See here data space genius is coming because I am providing here extra space. If you look at here, okay, if I remove this, okay, if I remove, it will just give the output as a data genius without any space. See, right? I hope this is fine. Now third one is len function. It gives the length of data genius, okay, so the length is 12. The next is upper. So it will convert this data genius to a uppercase, right? This is what it is doing, right? The next is lower. It will convert to a lower function, lower, okay, lower case. So data genius in a lower case, right? And next is trim. So what it does is it basically remove the any extra spaces. Okay, see here there are extra space between data and genius as well. Okay, so it will remove all these and just give only one space. Okay, so I hope this is fine. So this was the second, this is the second, sorry, this is the first part of this video. Second part of this video I'll post in 2 or 3 days. Okay, still if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Definitely I'll look into it. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, share and subscribe. See you soon, and we will meet again. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.